I made pink pasta, pink corn soup, and also for Barbie. Hi my videos, I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing quarantine pink food cooking. Yay! It's a lunchtime and I'm pretty hungry today. I cooked something quick with some Japanese instant food which my friend sent to me the other day. Yeah, I need to show you this. Ta-da! Pink pasta! Looks so good, isn't it? So I did pink pasta with pink corn soup. It's pink, can you see it? And also I made this. So the one for Barbie. The Barbie size. Yeah, I've been really liking making the Barbie size food. You know, I'm just sharing with her. But still, it was, you know what? But this one was hard. Like, because the pasta is still the human size, so it was pretty hard to put on the plate. Anyway, let me go now so I can eat. But you guys can watch how I did today. Let's start. Let's cook some quick pink lunch. So here I have some pasta. Then it's the one of the most genius, convenient item I've ever seen in my entire life. So it's like plastic container. Of course it's reusable. So you just need to put pasta here for myself. So like this much. Can place here. And then put some water. Tap water is fine. When you see closer, there's a line. There's a line. So you fill water until this line. And you simply need to put this into microwave without lid. Don't put lid and just put this into microwave. And the microwaving time is the time for your pasta. With this one we need for 7 minutes. So you need to add extra 4 minutes to the boiling time for your pasta. So for me, I need to microwave for 11 minutes. Yeah, so let's microwave this for 11 minutes. So when I'm boiling pasta, I'm gonna prepare pasta sauce, bolognese sauce. But with soy meat, it looks so real meat, but actually it's made of soy meat. I'm not vegetarian, but again, my friend sent it to me, so I want to try this. Bolognese sauce is not pink, so this time I want to make it into pink. You know me, I'm a pink food cooking master. So I almost can make anything, any food into pink. So this pasta sauce is actually ready to eat. You just need to heat a little bit. But today I want to put it mozzarella cheese and some milk. If you have like whipped cream, that's better, but I don't have cream today. Now sounds like my pasta is ready. So put this one in microwave for a little bit. Just like 90 seconds is fine. And let's check out my pasta. Look. So it totally looks, it's cooked. Yeah, it's totally cooked. So now what I want to do is put the lid. And so here it has some holes for drain, so you need to dump the hot water. So you can just dump the water with the lid, you know. And I just dumped the water part. And now look, your pasta is ready. So you literally don't need any pot. You don't need any strainer. You don't need anything. You don't need to wash pot. Oh, my sauce is ready. Yeah, so it's like literally, like I told you, it's the most convenient, awesome item. So now my pasta is ready. And let me put this beet powder here. You could totally boil with beet powder water, but I kind of figured out with this method, I don't waste beet powder. I can make it pinker with less amount of beet powder. Okay, so now my pasta, the pink pasta is ready. Okay, The pink pasta looks perfect. And check my sauce. Okay, still look like orange. I don't know how much beet powder I need to put. I might need to add a little more milk, huh? Okay, it's getting pinker. Yeah, it's actually, in a person, it looks pinker. Let's put some more cheese to make it thicker. I want to make the color a little bit more whitish, so let me put some mayonnaise here, just a little bit. Getting better. Yeah, now it's getting pinker, I think. Yeah, it's pink enough. Look, I know in the camera it's always hard to tell, but I think that's good. Yay! Also, I want to prepare this corn cream soup. We literally just need hot water and with beet butter. Open the pouch. Let's put some hot water and watch the color. Okay, I think that's perfect pink. Pretty! Yes, yes, yes. And mix it. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, now I need to ready for pasta. Okay, I also put the Barbie size. And I put this pasta sauce on the top. Yay, it looks so good. Let's eat it. And also put here for Barbie. Let's eat it. So, again, ta-da! Pink pasta. Pink pasta, yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, I could totally boil pasta with pink hot water, but with this method, like adding beet powder after, actually you need less amount of beet powder. Yeah, that's why I tried this method today. And also I did pink corn soup. It's super instant, so I literally added just beet powder here. But for pasta sauce, because the original color of bolognese is like brown, so I had to make it a little whiter first. I put cheese, milk, and a little bit of mayonnaise. Yeah, and beet powder. So now it looks like pink. So let's try. せーの、いただきます。美味しそう。It's so good. I'm so glad that I added even more cheese. Yeah, it has a lot of cheese taste and I totally love it. Super good. Oh shit, can I stop this? So good. I mean, I didn't cook anything, you know, I just tried to make it pink, but you know, still, it's good. So good. And let me try this soup. It's so creamy and so sweet, yummy. Sometimes with instant food, to me it could taste a little too salty, and I really like more gentle taste. So when I put some milk to instant food, to me it tastes better. But today the purpose why I put milk was to make it become pink color easier, but actually even for the taste it worked better to me. Just let me keep eating. Thanks so much for my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have pink plastic Barbie quarantine. Bye.